Antalya City Tour with waterfalls and cable car is a perfect way to explore the city, which is along the Mediterranean Sea at the south of Turkey. This city is dominantly famous with its contributions to the summer tourism in Turkey with its amazing bays, beaches and holiday resorts. Yet, it actually holds more than you can guess. It also both presents a cultural background and a lovely city life, and by enrolling in this Antalya City Tour, you will be able to see it with your own eyes. Therefore, if you are interested in, please keep watching this video. As the first step in our daily city tour, we will pick you up from your hotel by our fully equipped tour bus, which can provide the comfort that you need. After arriving to the old town of Antalya, in Turkish, it is Keçiören district, you will have a free time to explore places, to observe the lovely city life and to taste various delicious meals of Turkish cafes and restaurants. By the way, you can talk to your professional city guide to request some information or recommendations for travel points to improve your travel experience in your free time. In there, you will be close to the famous Hadrian's Gate, the Clock Tower and Yevlimener Mosque. From the Old Town Harbor, we will take a boat to have a voyage for 1 hour, and we will enjoy the mixture of the blue shades of the sea and the beauty of Antalya City. Therefore, feel free to view this relaxing scene as much as possible. After our voyage, you will be able to visit one of the wonders of nature, Duden Waterfall. And to view it with a panoramic perspective, the guide will bring you to the cliffs. There, you will be observing the 40-meter waterfall and listen the rattles of it. This scene is like an oil painting and it will impress your soul. Thus, watch the coalescence of the waterfall and the Mediterranean Sea. The source of the Duden stream, 14 kilometers long, is located in the southern part of the Taurus Mountains. The Duden stream divides into two branches at a point called the Dudenbaşı. The first branch, which is about 7 kilometers from Antalya, is called the Lower Duden Waterfall, and the other branch, which is 1 kilometer from Varsik, is called the Upper Duden Waterfall. Both of these waterfalls eventually lead to the Mediterranean Sea. The Upper Duden waterfalls are located in the Varsik region, within the borders of the Kepez region. Upper Duden Waterfall is one of the best and most refreshing recreational areas, located about 12 kilometers northeast of Antalya. It is a great natural beauty where you can breathe fresh air and enjoy the wonderful shades of green. It should not be confused with another waterfall called Lower Duden, located on a cliff facing the sea. Then we will drive to the city center where you can enjoy a few hours of free time in Antalya Old Town, or Kalaycı, as it is called in Turkish. In the Old Town there are many sights and interesting places. In the Old Town you can also find some charming shops to buy some souvenirs. It is worth noting that the main tourist attractions of the Old Town of Antalya are within walking distance. As the last event in our Antalya City Tour, we will offer you to get into a cable car if you are not afraid of height. Even if so, give it a chance to enjoy the view of the city and take amazing photos of it. After the cable car part of our tour, we will get on the bus for the last time and will say goodbye to the old city of Antalya. At the afternoon, you will have arrived to your hotel to get some rest. Don't forget to check our website for more tours and activities.